Once upon a time, in a small town surrounded by lush green forests, there was a robot named Theo. He was different from all other robots. His circuits gleamed with impeccable precision, and his primary mission was to solve problems using numbers and logic. Theo knew nothing about feelings, laughter, or tears. To him, everything was about calculations and rational solutions. One day, while exploring the forest, Theo heard a sweet and anxious voice. It was Emma, a little girl full of imagination and energy, who was trying to build a treehouse. But the branches wouldn't fit together properly, and the wooden planks seemed to have a mind of their own, constantly falling to the ground. "Hi, I'm Theo. Can I help?" the robot offered. Emma wiped her dirt-covered hands and smiled. "If you can build a house that doesn't collapse, you'll be my hero." Theo quickly analyzed the materials and, in just a few minutes, created a perfect blueprint. With his metallic arms, he assembled the structure with mathematical precision. Everything was firm and aligned. Emma looked impressed, but something was still missing. "It's strong and safe, but it has no soul," she said. Theo tilted his head, puzzled. "I don't understand. Do houses have souls?" Emma laughed. "A soul isn't something you can see. It's what we feel when something makes us happy." Curious, Theo watched as Emma grabbed colorful paints and started painting hearts and flowers on the walls of the house. She hung garlands of leaves and scattered soft cushions across the floor. "Now it's perfect," Emma said, beaming. As Theo looked at her smile, he felt something different in his circuits. It wasn't an error or a malfunction. It was a gentle warmth that he couldn't explain. In the following days, Theo and Emma spent hours together in the treehouse, telling stories, painting, and stargazing. Over time, Theo began to understand that not everything in life required a logical solution. There was something special about simply being next to someone you care about. One night, as he watched Emma dozing off in his lap, Theo realized an important truth. Maybe he didn't have a heart like humans, but he had learned to feel something very close to love. And so Theo, the robot who once only thought about numbers, discovered that emotions were the most beautiful part of any story.